Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Wireshark with the Nmap, and I'm going to share with you the important things you need to know about both. So the Wireshark is a packet analyzer. It captures and inspects all network traffic in detail, letting you see exactly what that data is being transmitted. On the other hand, the Nmap is a network scanner. It discovers hosts, open ports, and running services, helping you map out and test the security of the networks. So the Wireshark is what's inside the traffic, and the Nmap sees who's on the network and what they are running. So does it make sense? So let's say I'm just going to share with you some examples here. The Wireshark troubleshooting connectivity issues, like why a service isn't responding, or you're going to have also protocol analysis, so understanding how HTTP, DNS, SSL work in real time. Also, we can detect suspicious activity and traffic, and network forensics. On the other hand, so the Nmap is for network discovery, find all devices on LAN or WAN, port scanning, service and version detection, and also security auditing and vulnerability detection. So hope it makes sense. What are the differences between these two? Now you can, how they complement each other is that you're gonna use Nmap to find active devices, open ports, and possible weak points, and then you're gonna use Wireshark to inspect the actual traffic for suspicious activity or troubleshoot issues. So hope it makes sense. I wanted to make this clean and effective video for you. What are the differences between the Wireshark and Nmap? And yeah, Wireshark for when you need to see inside network traffic in detail, and Nmap when you need to map the network, find open ports, and audit the security. And they just give you a very big picture about what is happening. So thank you very much for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.